Bread costs more. Don't panic. Inflation is simpler than it looks, and once you see the pattern, it stops feeling mysterious. Prices rise when money moves faster than goods, when more cash is chasing the same amount of stuff on the shelf. More buyers than bread? Prices go up because people compete with their wallets. More bread than buyers? Prices go down because sellers compete for attention. Printing more money stretches prices like a balloon. As the money expands, the numbers on tags expand too. Small, steady inflation is normal life, not disaster. It's part of how growing economies function over time. It feels scary at first, especially when your favorite food costs more. But understanding the cause makes it predictable, not personal. Focus on what you control: your money, your plan, your knowledge, and the habits that protect your future. Inflation is just prices moving. More money or less supply makes them rise. More supply or less demand can calm them down. It happens everywhere: markets, stores, services, even your favorite bakery down the street. Your bread costs more, but life goes on. You adjust, businesses adjust, and the system keeps moving. Prices rise and fall naturally over time, like waves that move with supply, demand, and confidence. Learning this makes your money decisions smarter, not scarier, because clarity replaces confusion. Small changes, big understanding. When you simplify the rules, you stop fearing the headlines. Bread costs more. Understanding why it costs more, that's what gives you control.